And after 4 hours, I check the temperature. I'll just dip the skillet in there, take some water out, heat it up to like 150, and spread it out again. And that gives me back my 110 degrees. So it has been 8 hours since we started the fermentation in the cooler. I've taken out all the glass jars, put them in a water bath with ice, and leave them in there for another 15 minutes to stop the fermentation. So after cooling for 15 to 30 minutes in the sink with ice, they go in the fridge for 12 hours to set up. After 12 hours in the fridge, they have set up nicely and are ready to go into the sieve. This is a 2-gallon sieve, and I put in 5 quarts at a time. Use a spatula to get the last bit out. So 5 quarts are now in the sieve, and they go in the fridge for at least 24 hours because I like it very thick.
Hey, it hasn't been 24 hours.
Yeah, but it has been 10 hours and it looks done to me.
It looks done because you want it to be done. This looks
Let's try
good.
this.